Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Examiners Mr. Laude Idrus Hamid BSPD MPD. Good morning, sir. And good morning for all my friends to present in this training seminar. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Mumin from English Education Study Program. In this morning, I would like to thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given us mercy and blessing so that we can gather for a training seminar today. And salawat and salam, don't forget to always send Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and for the opportunities that has been given to me to present my proposal with the title Improving the Students' Reading Comprehension Through Collaborative Strategies Reading at the First Grade of SMP Negeri 2 Latambaga. Chapter 1, Introduction. This chapter consists of background, question of the research, the objective of the research, the significance of the research, scope of the research, and the definition of key terms. The first is background. Learning English as the second of foreign language can break through formal education, such as in schools, university, and informal education, as in the course and college. In this instance, to design the teaching program, the staff equate themselves to it, whereas in formal education, the curriculum is designed by the staff of education office, although they still give chance to the staff in the district to make suitable curriculum based on the area. In the teaching reading, English teachers should introduce the collaborative strategies reading as an alternative way to give variation to the student in teaching and learning process. Curriculum and the junior high school based reading is one of the 4 skills in studying English. Reading consists of narrative, descriptive, procedure, news item, recount, and an anecdote. The aim of the student learn reading, they have to know basic competence and achievement indicators reading. The second is question of the research. In relation to the various issues in the background, the research formulate a research question. How can collaborative strategies reading improve the students' comprehension in reading at the first grade of SMP Negeri 2 Latambaga? The third is objective of the research. As implicitly revealed by the research question before, this research will inform whether collaborative strategies reading could improve the students' comprehension in reading at the first grade of SMP Negeri 2 Latambaga. And the next is significance of the research. The research expects the significance of this research are follows. The first is theoretically and the last is practically. And the next is scope of the research. The scope of the research is restricting to talk about improve the students' reading ability through collaborative strategies reading at the first grade of SMP Negeri 2 Latambaga. The material of this research will be applied by the research is reading descriptive text. And the last is the definition of key terms. The first is improving is act of enhance or making better in terms of quality, value, or usefulness. This can be by making ideas, objects, or process more desirable by adding or removing components. The term can also be applied to people as well via method such as performance reviews, which are meant to try and improve an employee in some manner. The second is reading comprehension is viewed in this research as the resulting from the four-way interaction between readers' text structure activity, according Amir 2004. The last is collaborative strategic reading. Is a set of instructional strategies designed to help students with the diverse abilities acquire and practice comprehension strategies for use with informational text. Chapter 2, Literature Review. In this chapter consists of reviews of study, definition of reading, kinds of reading, the reason of reading, concept of collaborative strategic reading. The first is reviews of research. Many research have referred to expose the identification of student achievement in learning English to make the teaching and learning process more effective is one of the research findings are acted consistently below. According Mutmainah 2001. In her research, she concluded that the application of cooperative learning in improving the students' reading comprehension is more effective than conventional one before treatment applied, while the student achievement into post-test showed that the application of cooperative learning is able to improve the student score. According to Padmawati 2004, in her research, she concluded that the reading text used at junior high school were improved from the first to the second and the third year. In senior high school, where you're organized because the score of the third year is lower than the first and the second year score. The next is definition of reading. There are reading definitions are given by some people which relate the similar meaning. According to Charles Intohir 2001, state that reading is transmitting of information process where the other tells all the readers about his ideas or message, such as the other is regarded as the information, the informants or senders, and the reader, and on the another hand is receiver. According to Tinker and Kulok, stage reading is identification and recognition of print or written symbols, which serve as stimulate for the recall of meaning built up through past experience. From this definition, it can be concluded reading is meaning-getting process. The reader always tries to get what the writer says and means actually. The next is kind of readings. The first is the traditional view. According to Dole, in the traditional view of reading, novice readers acquire a set of hierarchically or ordered subscale that sequentially build toward comprehension ability. Having mastered this skill, readers are viewed as experts who comprehend what read. According to Noonan, reading in this view is basically a matter of decoding a series of written symbols into their aural equivalents in the quest for making sense of the text. He referred to this process as the bottom-up view of reading. According to McCarthy, 1999 has called this view outside in processing, referring to the idea that meaning exists in the print page and is interpreted by the reader then taken in. The next is the cognitive view. The top-down model is in direct opposition to the bottom-up model. According to Noonan, 1991, the psycholinguistic model of reading and the top-down model are in exact concordance. According to Rummelhart, 1977, has also stated that if our schemata are incomplete and do not provide an understanding of the incoming data from the next The text will have problem processing and understanding the text. According of the explanation before, student in learning process read the text are in exact concordance and will have problems processing and understanding the mind of text. The next is the metacognitive view. According to Block 19 and 92, there is no more debate on whether reading is a bottom-up language-based process or a top-down knowledge-based process. It is also no more problematic to accept the influence of background knowledge on both the first language and the second language readers. Research gone even further to define the control reader execute on their abilities to understand a text. This control has referred to as metacognition. The model of reading process deal with particular types of cognitive behavior, which is based on certain kinds of knowledge, which form a part of the reader's cognitive structure. The next is concept of collaborative strategic reading. Collaborative strategic reading teaches students to use comprehension strategies while working cooperatively. Student strategies include previewing the text, giving ongoing feedback by indicating "click I get it" or "clang I don't get it" at the end of each paragraph, getting the gist of the most important parts of the text, and wrapping up ideas. Finding out how to help student of mixed achievement levels apply comprehension strategies while reading context area text in small groups. The next is effectiveness of collaborative strategies reading. Collaborative strategies reading was effective in improving reading comprehension for most of students with learning disabilities who use English as a second language in cooperative learning. And the next is implementation of collaborative strategies reading. The first is teaching the strategies, and the last is cooperative learning group or student pairing. Okay, the next is chapter 3, methodology of the research. In this chapter, the research will discuss the design of the research, setting and subject of the research, and the step of the research. The first is design of the research. The design of this research is collaborative classroom action research. It is one of efforts done by teachers in the form of various activities for improving an unsatisfied condition or increasing learning quality. The design is based on the fact that knowledge always changes in the implementation to practice development to be understand learning. The next is setting and subject of the research. The first is setting of the research. This research will be conducted at the first grade of SMP Negeri 2 Latambaga in academic year of 2016 and 2017. The school has 4 classes of the first grade. The researchers have 2 reasons to choose this school as the setting of the research. Firstly, the students of this school are low in reading a text, and secondly, the English teachers of the school are ready to help the research as the collaborative teachers. The next is subject of the research. The research will be conducted at a 7B class. It consists of 26 students. This class will be chosen as a setting of the research. The research choose this class based on the preliminary research results. Therefore, the technique that the research used to get the subject of the research is purposive. It is based on the information from the English teachers of the class that reading ability of the student in the class is very low and most of their last final research didn't achieve the criteria ketuntasan minimal or KKM. In addition, this class also will be recommendation by the English teacher of this class to get special treatment in improving the students' ability in reading comprehension. The research get the recommendation after doing an interview with the English teacher of this class in the preliminary research. It concludes that this class is very weak in reading a text. The purpose of classroom action research is to create increase of education quality. Therefore, the research improve the students' ability in collaborative strategies reading. The next is the procedure of the research. The first is preliminary research. A preliminary research was a preliminary observation that had been done. The research on March 28, 2016 to know the real condition of the student problem in class and the teacher's problem in teaching and learning process. In order to get the real condition of the student problem in learning English, especially when the student learning reading, and to know the technique of the teacher in teaching, to use that and learning process use that. The next is planning. Before conducting the research, there will be a meeting between the research and the collaborative teacher to talk over the planning. It involves some procedures that were done in the research, such as preparing a suitable strategy, preparing the observation sheet, preparing design lesson, and preparing the criteria of success. The next is preparing suitable strategy. Based on the objectives of the research, this research focus on the implementation collaborative strategy reading in the teaching of reading. In implementation the technique, the research apply the concept of technique strategy in the classroom that the result will be provided before while the teacher observe the class. Implementation the technique, the research tries to encourage the student to be more active and invite them to discuss the topic that they learn. The next is preparing lesson plan. Before implementation the collaborative strategies reading in teaching and learning process, the research design a lesson plan. It will be important to make the implementation of the technique run well. The lesson plan will design based on the following items. The first is learning objective. The second is needed material. The third is procedures of implementation, and the last is assessment. The next is preparing the criteria of success. The research will prepare the criteria of success to support implementing of the technique. The criteria intend to determine whether the cycle is successful or not. There are two criteria or success proposed in this research. They are as follow. The first is process and the last is product. Next is implementing. In conducting the action, the research follows the procedures of the teaching collaborative strategies reading that will be arranged before. They are as follows. The first is pre-activities, the second is whilst activities, and the last is post-activities. And the next is observing and analyzing. The first is data and data source. The second is technique of data collection. The third is data analysis. and reflection, and the last is reading scoring rubric. I think enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.